Welcome to the top 10 breaking news. Scientist Dr. Krishnamurthy Santharam died in April 2021. Dr. Santharam was an atomic researcher and the field director of the Defense Research and Development Organization during the trial of Pokhran 2. Australia will send oxygen ventilators and individual defensive hardware to India as a feature of a quick help bundle. India is fighting with the most recent flood of COVID-19 cases. Steel maker ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India is setting up a transitory clinical office with around 250 beds inside its office in Gujarat to supply oxygen straightforwardly from its plants. In the midst of a remarkable flood in COVID-19 cases in India, Google will give financing Rs 135 crores to clinical supplies and to assist communities with general. It likewise incorporate expanded ad grant support for general well-being data campaigns. In the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, 5 Gram Panchayats have packed away National Panchayat Awards 2021. Gram Panchayat Kangaruza of Lokal Barmulla and Gram Panchayat Hakarmulla of region Badgam won Deen Dayal Upadhyay Panchayat Sashактикаран Puraskar. In the Archery World Cup, the Indian ladies recurve group including Deepika Kumari, Ankita Bakhat and Komalika Bari won a gold award in Guatemala on 25 April 2021. This was Deepika's 5th World Cup stage occasion group called Decorations. The US government has chosen to lift the fair restriction of the fundamental crude materials needed by the antibodies producer in India for the creation of COVID-19 immunizations. Prior in April 2021, Serum Institute of India's CEO Adar Puranwala had mentioned the US president to lift the ban of crude material fares from the US. Style originator Albert Elbaz died in April 2021 because of COVID-19. In the wake of starting his vocation with the American creator Geoffrey Binet in New York, he took over a Guy Laroque in 1996, joining Yves Saint Laurent in 1998 to configuration prepared to wear assortment for the French export. The primary instance of the Indian variation of COVID-19 has been affirmative in Switzerland. The case is including a traveler who showed up in Switzerland through a traveler air terminal and not straightforwardly from India. Dependence Industries Limited and BP have declared the beginning of creation from the satellite cluster gas field in Glos KG D6 of the east coast of India.